It's power hour. What's poppin'? What's good? What's good? What's poppin' in the hood? We're live. We're doing it. We're here. Taking a look at the QQQ right now. Look at that move, just like we talked about on the, I guess on the live stream, we talked about this move. Look at that, off the VWAP up there to the 424s right now. The magic number, baby. The market going higher, and here we are. You gotta love it. You gotta love it, people. You just, if you don't love it, what do you even love? What do you even love if you don't love it? What'd you guys get into here afternoon? Anybody get some good trades in? That fucking middle of the day move. 15-minute chart right now. Again, bouncing off that pivot point, pulling back here. So if we get through that 50 level, that 600s is up there. A lot of wicks as well right there at the top of those candles. So let's see what happens here today, my friends. We are live. We are doing it. Doing it well. All right, there she goes. Straight up to the 50s now. Oh, buddy. 3 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 3 o'clock, clock. Wow. All right. Slow down, NASDAQ. Slow down. Come back here a little bit. Come back down a little bit. NASDAQ breaking out there through the 40s, up there to the 60s now. Let's go. That pivot point right there, 17,500. 17,500 pivot point. You gotta love the pivot points, my friends. Wow. Power hour is kicking off strong here. Power hour. No pullbacks. Come on. All right, so you can see the big move up here. The 335s up there to the 500s. Now that 582 resistance. Victor, can you talk about the logic of why you wanted to long today so much? Well, Victor, let's talk about the logic. Well, the logic is the bigger time frames. Looks like a long to me, back above the VWAP. So. And then also this level here, that 550 level, I thought would want to get tested one more time. I mean, all the bigger time frames just were really kind of holding on there. So VWAP pretty much was why I was looking for a long. Look at this thing, still going straight up right now. Come on. I just got on here. You got to give me, don't do this now. Don't go straight up right now. I haven't bought yet. I still gotta buy. NASDAQ literally just ripped up 70 points off the 500s there. 70 points so far here since 3 o'clock. Well, 245-ish. I need to see a little bit of a pullback. I like to see that 50 area be, you know, good spot. Try to get a decent pullback there. Are you associated with good trader or bad trading? Yeah, that's me. Not an impersonator. Dash me. All right, let's see what the NASDAQ does here. I don't have a Facebook channel. I don't really have a Facebook that I post on. Somebody asked about following on Facebook. All right, let's see if we can get down here into the 50s. A little pullback. We need a little pullback here. NASDAQ on a mission right now. This would be ideal to pull back. 45 area would be sweet. A little micro pullback. Doesn't have to be big. Just, you know, a little micro pullback. All right, here we go. Micro pullback. Come on down here. Oh. Looking for this 45 area would be where we kind of want to. If we're going to try to, we want this 45 area to get respected, basically, bounce off there. One more little dippy dip. Are you staying live through Google and Microsoft earnings? Probably not. Just for power hour here. Ugh. Why did I say 545? Well, because if you look here at this big candle, that's kind of the split, the middle of that candle there. So let's see if we pull back, kind of that previous area of resistance here at the 40s as well. The high on that wick right there, 46s. So would like to see kind of just this dip down in there. That big old boner candle. Bow S&W. Earlier you said that you blew up 4 accounts today and now you're giving advice on trades. I don't know. You might not want to enter the chat and tell everybody that you blew up 4 accounts and then sit here and give us advice on what trades to make. No offense, but does power hour usually mean looking for longs? No. Just called power hour because it's the last hour of the day and get some volatility, get some action. So. All right. See if this flag will take us higher today. Come on, bring it down there. Bring it down there, baby. Lee Ryan got 2 Apex accounts passed. Let's go. Good day for it. Good volatility of the market. NASDAQ just sitting here. ES is pushing up. Both the ES and the NASDAQ both just looking primed and ready for an end of day squeeze here. Well, let's see if we get it. Mitch Tix, what do you use to journal your trades? I use this program right here. This is the program. It's called Notepad. Pretty much. That's what it looks like every day. Just win, 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 baby. If we get through 70s, this thing could kind of just be, it's fucking really holding on there. And so, there we go. Watch that 70 break. Dollar looking weak. Everything flagging right now. Oh, buddy. Oh, how to be with you. Anybody wanna know? John Nooney, let's go. Watching the 70 level here. Dollar selling down, NASDAQ trying to push. There's a 70 break. We're gonna take it straight through the 90s there next. Let's see. Long looking for a push through the high there earlier, the 80s. Now. Ugh. Not the reaction I wanted to right there, but as long as we stay above the 60s, we're good here. Argentina, Joaquin, let's go. This 70 level, key level to get through here. Get through the 70s strong and then keep on pushing. You can see on the bigger time frames, the 15-minute chart. Very bullish momentum here. Just got to get through these wicks. We got 3 big old wicks there. So we take out the 70s and then you just imagine another 15-minute candle basically up there at the 600s. Just imagine it. $84 is the high so far. All right, got to get through the 80s strong here. That 84 level to get through. They're gonna make it hard on us today. They're gonna make it hard on us now. Don't you want somebody to love? Come on, get through the 80s there, you little fuckers. Let's go through the highs here. This candle wants it. Right through the 80s, boys. It's power hour. We're gonna get this move right through the 80s here. You just watch it. Put it on the board. Put it on the board. Want somebody to love. Come on. Want somebody to love. She got to go right here. She got to go right here. She got to go right here. NKM futures passing 16 accounts today. Let's go, boys. Let's go, buddy. Let's go, buddies. Up there to the 83. Straight through here to the 600s next. Like I said, long from the 70s here. Looking for this push up. Ooh, buddy, you want to get right up there through the 90s there next. Try to scale off into this push-up. Just lock in some profits as we go here. Oof. Oof. It's hot. It's so hot. The ES, the NASDAQ, both breaking out same time together. Good sign. Keep this momentum going through the 90s here all the way. Just trying to lock in some profit. Up $3,000 on this trade right now. I want to let a little bit runners go here just in case we get a, you know, a straight up move here. I'm okay. I like it. I like it. I like it. Oof. All right, we're up almost 25 points here. Ooh! Ooh! 30 points. We're locking it in live, baby. It's power hour. It's motherfucking power hour. Motherfucking power hour. Hey, where's the guy from earlier? There was a guy in the chat that said, what do you say? And now back down to 300. Trading with Boris. Poor Boris. I feel bad for that guy. What happened, Boris? Oh, fucking A. I'm gonna watch this 90 level. I want to see us kind of bounce here 90s, or I'm gonna take them all off. Just to make sure I guarantee I lock it. So profit here. The giveaway happened this morning. Trading with Boris. What happened? Fucking Boris, back to 300. Get out of here, Boris. I will not be trading the earnings. Christopher made a good $3,000. That's awesome. Let me know in the chat if you guys took that trade there for that move up. We're still long. Like I said, through the 70s, that key level still going. We're up $4,500 right now. Up there through the 600s. Taking a little bit more profit here. Scott, 7,200. Alchemist, 1,400. First trade ever, made $1,000. Mike Jones making some money. Hey, nothing wrong with that. Small, totally fine with me, Mike. Make $100 a day, walk away. Let's fucking go. All right, I got one contract left here. We're still long from the 70s. I've been taking partials on this way up, looking like a painting right now. I'll take 30 points any day. You give me 30, 40 points, I don't care what happens next, baby. It is very impressive. I think, yeah, somebody pointed that out. Thank you for pointing that out. If you look here at the QQQ, well, there's your gap fill potential. All the way up there, 426s. Gaps love to get filled. Oh, buddy. Oh, buddy. Who else is doing it like this live on YouTube for Power Hour, dropping nuggets of money, money, money? Look at that breakout potential there through the 600s. It's still, we're up 40 points. We're up 40 points, boys. A little under 4. It's 35 points, 35 points. Pretty damn close. The playlist that I have is it's Aiden Love. I'll put a link here in the chat. Aiden Love is the playlist. Little DJ remix stuff. I always listen to this stuff. Pretty good. I don't play it in the morning because of the copyright, but fuck it. For Power Hour, I'll play the music. I don't care. We're still long, motherfuckers. We are still motherfucking long. Ain't nobody doing it like this. Day. It's fun. Business is good, baby. Business is good. But. ICT is maybe better. I'm not even gonna answer that because you're just trolling. You're just trolling. Just trolling. 17,604. Can we go higher? 2030s. From the 70s now up to the 04s. Who wants this? Who wants it? Did I learn from ICT? No. Are you stupid? God. These people in the chat sometimes. Their obsession with ICT. Obsessed. I will not be playing the earnings after hours. No, thank you. I don't need to play that. I don't know why everyone keeps asking. I will not be trading earnings. Are you crazy? It's terrible. I already banned ICT from the chat. He used to come in here and talk all the time, and then I banned him. He can't type anymore. He got all butthurt. But there was a setup. We were hoping for a move back into this 45 level. We just didn't get there. And you can see and then the breakout. So that was a move we were looking for through the 70s. If you're wondering why I was looking for a move through the 70s there, well, just look at your chart here. And you can basically see where's that resistance at? Pretty much right there at the 70s at that point. Kind of like splitting the difference here. Little pullback. I'm gonna lock that last contract in for 500 bucks. Still a $4,300 trade right there. So if you look, the high of these candles, they're kind of like all in this area. So I really just wanted to see those candle wicks just get taken out, you know, and that's exactly what we got. Little pullback there into the 65s, and then a little trapping some shorts right there, and then straight up. So sometimes you get the pullback, you know, that you're looking for, and it pulls back into this level and it's all beautiful. And then other times you don't get the full pullback. So you've got to be able to still be like, okay, you know, what do we got going on? We got the high of day there. We've got the 600 level there. Those are targets. Those are areas that I think the market would want to move to. They'd want to hit that level. So there it is. The dollar just kind of grinding lower. Dollar hasn't really been doing anything too crazy, but not showing any strength. So the dollar moving down. NASDAQ ES pushing up here end of day. It's only 3:26. Oh my God, we still got so much time here. Oh man. We're gonna be here a while. I thought I was almost done. I was about to walk away. I About to fucking walk away. Isaac Rutner just landed in Orlando. Meetup. Are you 6 foot tall blonde of the female gender at birth? By the way, not you. Just because you think you're a female, don't mean you're a female. But if you're just a guy wanting to meet up, nah, I'm good. Sorry, bro. No offense. I like you, but not like that. Turn out the light. All right, market pulling back here nicely now. Well, let's see what happens here next. We pull back into this previous area of resistance there, the 80s now. I think it's pretty much every dip's gonna get bought up here end of day. Until we fill that gap at least on the NASDAQ. We still got more room to fill that gap, boys. Or... yeah, no, we have like... still got more room to fill that gap. Ugh. Dollar continuing lower. The ES has room to push up. ES could go up to like the 96s, 97s, you know, 5,100 honestly, and still have room to go there. So look on the QQQ. There's a gap on the QQQ. Look here at the QQQ right now. We closed yesterday up there at this 426 level. Ugh. Right there, we closed yesterday, so. QQQ, push back up there to fill that gap. I took Apex payouts, yes. Everybody asking about my payouts and blah, blah, blah. Yes, I've taken Apex payouts. There's videos on the channel, thank you. NASDAQ still pushing right off that low, just right back up there to the 600s. If we get through the 600 area strong one more time, they got that pivot point up there at the 48, so. $70,581 down there. The 3:30, baby. It's 3:30. Time to party. Dollar getting a little bit of a push back up here. A little push on the dollar. Just watch that 600 area. 17,600 here. Right now, resistance there at 600s. Still very much just holding on here. Right now we're looking at the 1 minute chart, by the way. So you can see the 5 minute chart. If we can turn this 80 area into support here. Got 2 minutes left on that candle. Let's see how this candle closes. Did I see the fall after close yesterday? Yeah, I looked at the fucking chart this morning. You think I didn't see the chart? But I didn't see it in person. No, I saw it this morning. I don't look at the market at nighttime. I try not to, at least. If you guys haven't hit that like button, help me out. Blow up the like button. It's free to like. This 5 minute candle. We need this thing to get saved right here. Pat. Power hour, the band hammer is coming out. Right now we're looking at the NASDAQ 5 minute chart. The stream will end at 4 o'clock when the market closes. How does a trailing drawdown work? I don't know. Like I said earlier, I'm at the point where I'm just fucking tired of answering FAQ questions. I'm not here to be fucking FAQ. So if you got a stupid question like how does a trailing drawdown work, fucking use Google, bro. I don't know what to tell you. Like, it's just like every day it's the same fucking questions over and over and over. Like, just Google it. The same time that it took you to type it in the fucking chat, you would already have an answer. Ugh. Like, I just, like, when I first started trading, like, if I had a question, like, I'd figure it out. Like, if I wanted, you know, like, I would figure it out. You know what I mean? Like, if I was like, oh, I want to figure something out, like, I wouldn't go on YouTube and ask somebody. I'd just go figure it out. You know? I'm not in a position. We had a trade earlier long. We took up to the highs, took it off for now. Let's see what happens here, end of day. Get back above that 90 level now. Turning this 80 area into support for now. Oh, trust me, if the people that come here and ask like the most basic questions about trading, yeah, they're never gonna make money trading because it's not gonna work. So the reason I'm so successful is because people are so lazy that they can't learn on their own. So they end up watching my YouTube channels, and that's how I make money. Breaking now, Russia preparing to seize US assets. Developing. Oh God. I mean, think about it. Like, the reason I'm a millionaire is because people out there on the internet watch my videos. I don't know. Everyone should leave the live stream, please. Quick, go, John, go, go, go. Hey, if it gets to the point where nobody's watching anymore, it's all right. It's all good. I'll survive. Russia now has the right to confiscate all Western assets in Russia worth more than 288 billion. How's the McLaren treating me? It's treating me great. We're back to where the breakout happened earlier. I was driving the F-250, Tim, the big truck. Why is your Twitter not very active like YouTube? I don't know. I post stuff on Twitter pretty much every day. Watching the 560 area, see what we get here. Of me, in my mind, power over me, my mind. The only one I know, the only one on my mind. You got that power over me. You got that power over me. Just rolling off right now. Look at this thing, just rolling down. Do I like going to raves? Not really. NASDAQ moving on down. No reason to do anything long here, that's for sure. Dynamic trades. I lost my account today. Can I please get an account from you? Yeah, sure, no problem. Dude, this thing hasn't even like pulled back. Had the double bottom on the dollar, there. When I said that it hasn't even pulled back, you little fuck, I meant the fact that it's going straight down and hasn't pulled back. There's been no pullback. It's just been going straight down. I'm not saying that this is not a pullback. I can't do 2 streams in a day. I can't. No more. No more 2. I cannot do 2 more streams in a day. It's too much stress, anxiety. I can't do it. I'm literally, this is the last time I'm ever gonna do it. Seriously. I can't. I literally can't. It's just not worth my time. What a fucking joke. Like the guy's gonna talk shit and be like, what are you talking about? It's been 6 red candles. Where's the pullback? This is a pullback, you little fuck. This is a pullback. God. That's the pullback. I mean, that's all I said. All I'm saying is that, like, damn, there's been no pullback. It went from 580 to 540, just straight down. I apologize for stating the fucking obvious. We got the 350 algorithm coming up here. 350 today, 350 algorithm. Fernando, let's go. Waiting to see what happens here at 350, baby. It's tough being a millionaire talking on YouTube all day. Honestly, it's tough. I can do it for 2 hours, but 3 hours is just too much. I'm gonna try to short here. Just small size, stop at the 60s. Not a big deal either way, but see if we get down there. Get one more leg down through this. Dollar is trying to pop up. We got 5 minutes until the 350 algorithm. Short, looking for this move through the 40s. Like 510s is down there, maybe to move to. Needs to drop right through the 40s here. I use Trade of 8 for Apex. No Rhythmic. Or not Rhythmic. I use Trade of 8. Why? The chop. All things psyche. Poor entry. I agree with you. Let's get this straight down drop. 350 algorithm, baby. Dream. I might take it off for $1,000 if I get right there before the 350 algorithm. Just to lock it in. 350 algorithm kicking in here in about a couple seconds. Whew. Take a bath. Oh, buddy. I'm gonna lock it in right before the algorithm kicks in here in 5 seconds. It might just drop straight down, but I'll take it. Market trying to push right back up there. Where's the guy earlier that said bad entry? Bad entry. Yeah, get the fuck out of here. Remember, people, you're watching me. I'm not watching you. You gotta give a fuck what you think. Vicky, what's up with the 350 algorithm? Every day at 350 on the dot, you get just the last 10 minutes. All the orders got to get executed and figured out and done for the day. Market on order, market close on order, MOC. MOC. That is the 350 algorithm. Look up MOC, market on order close. Market, yeah, it's MOC, right? Market on close. And this is why gurus on the internet can make millions and millions of dollars, if you think about it. There's a reason that Ross Cameron makes millions of dollars, because people are clueless. I'm not even trying to be an asshole, but people are just like clueless when it comes to the market and to trading. So it's very easy to just sell people on the fact that I will teach you everything. Pay me $10,000 and you'll learn everything you need to learn, you know? So people wonder like, how do these gurus make so much money? It's because people are just so dumb, you know? That's like literally what it is. So I don't know. There she goes, trying to get through the 40s. Either way, the short that I took was the short that I took, and we took profit. So YOLO. Still got some more time here till 4 o'clock to get a little breakdown here. Let's see. Let's keep an eye on this. Basically, it's I'd say if we break either of these levels, we got at least like 10-20 points. Let's see. 55 up there, like 65, 70 maybe. What's the earnings play? I don't play earnings. So if you play earnings, you might as well just go to Vegas and bet on black or red, because that's, everybody thought that Tesla earnings were going to be so terrible, blah, blah, blah. And then yesterday the market went straight up right when the fucking shit, and then dropped. Just don't even, it's not worth it, man. Microsoft and Google reporting. I know, I've heard. Why did I top? Well, I mean, I put it right there. I'd say if we get through the 53s here, we go up. So both the ES, the NASDAQ finding support here for now. We'll see what happens here at 355. There should be a little bit more volatility right at 355. See what happens here at 355. Some more action. Last 5 minutes. The last 5 minutes. The last 5 minutes. Can we get a move? Can we get the move? They're trying to take it to the 60s here, I think. That 59 level there to get through. Oh. The NASDAQ moving like the ES right now. NASDAQ moving like the ES right now. There she goes. Try to get that 60 break here, boys. 60 break. 60 break. I'm gonna lock it in. Ah. 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 With all of this power. All of this power. I told you guys if it goes through that little yellow line, it's going to go up at least 10 points. I don't know why you're surprised. I mean, it went up. It went up. Got 3 minutes here till the close to see what happens. Paul, there's been some discussion about influencers, how many actual eval counts. Paul, Where is this discussion? Where is this discussion taking place? I'd love to find out more about this discussion. Or is the discussion just you sitting there at your mom's basement talking about it? Send me the link for the open discussion on this. Patrick, people have been discussing you. Danny Trades has been discussing you, Patrick. Yeah, they all be talking about me, man. I mean, I've already said that I've blown up over 1,000 evaluations. So I don't know why people are like, it's not a secret. Danny Trades is a little pubescent little bitch. I'm not worried about him. Let him talk shit. It don't matter. He's fucking, I know exactly, like, trust me, I know everything about Danny Trades that I need to. And I know exactly what's going on over there. I ain't worried about it. Kid is a joke. Yeah, Patrick blocked me on Twitter because he thinks he's all that in a bag of chips. Actually, I'm fucking filet mignon, baby. Filet mignon, Ed. I'm filet mignon, motherfucker. All right, very simple. I put the, look at this. All right, I know, yes, there's two little wicks right here, sure, right, no problem. But if you look at this, if we're going sideways, what do you expect? You know, it's like, okay, if we break kind of like through this, there's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 candles right there. So you expect that if we do pop up, you know, it's good for 10 points, 5 points, I don't know. It's not, I'm not saying it's gonna reverse all the way to the highs, but what I'm saying is if we break through the wicks, you know, the wick, the top of like fucking 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 candles. You know? Look at that, still going. Fucking A. Where's the guy earlier that said, oh, we're gonna sell off big at close? I don't know. I honestly, like, I don't know why anybody tries to, like, why? Like, why? Like, why? Like, just like, why? Why even try to, like, say shit like that? Like, why? You know? Why? There you go. Another day of doing it. You know, I might not be perfect. I ain't always right, but I'm right enough, and that's all that matters. Welcome to trading, my friends. Welcome to trading. All right, I gotta go. I got things to do. I got business to handle. And yeah, get shit done. So all right. I will see you guys on the flip side. Look at it. Oh, I love it. I love it. It's so funny. It's so funny. Oh my God. Look at this shit. Dude, so many fucking shorts all for the last hour sitting here talking about how we're gonna get murdered. Wow. Did they report right at the bell? Microsoft reported right at the bell? I thought they reported at like 4:15 or so. If I would have known that they were going to report, I would have held on. Fucking A. LOLLL. That's funny. Look at that thing. Good one, boys. I didn't miss shit. I didn't miss anything, actually. If the market moves and I'm not in a trade, it ain't missing it. I ain't missing nothing. That's sitting here looking at the chart thinking you're missing out on something. That's just called FOMO. That's all that is. No, I don't miss shit. I take the trades I take, and then afterwards I walk away. I don't give a fuck what happens. So, big difference between missing it and, yeah, I wasn't gonna trade the earnings either way. So I didn't miss it, and it is what it is. So, you know. Peace to the Middle East, motherfuckers.